This is an 18-watt recessed power strip. It has 2 outlets, 2 power outlets, and 3 USB ports. 2 are USB-A ports and 1 is USB-C. It looks like this. It has 2 little holes here, and they provide you with some screws. The power cord is 6 feet long. If your desk had a little place to install this into it, you could pop it into the desk and have it sit nicely. What you could do is cut a hole in your desk table and then pop this right in there and feed the cord through the hole to a plug nearby, and then this would sit flush with the table. So if your home office desk has a hole where you could mount this to, this would be perfect for it. Gives you all the easy accessible power that you need, and it could be pretty useful. You just need to find a mountable piece of furniture to pop this in and screw it in, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so I have it installed here on my desk, and you can see I am powering on my computer, this lamp, and I have a cord going to my phone. 3 things charging at once.